So now let's see how we can go ahead and arrange out objects inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and let's say, for example, make this shape right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and make another shape right here, just like this as well. And I'm going to go ahead and make another shape right here, just like this as well. So as I go ahead and make the shape, you can see that they are all arranged out right here in a certain order, where the rectangular shape right here is at the bottommost section right here. You can see circle is at the middle and the star is at the top. So let's say, for example, if I want to go ahead and rearrange this out right here, then all I need to do is right click and then go to order right here. So if I were to go around right here and say, let's say, for example, back off layer, then what happens is that it goes all the way to the back, as you can see right here. But what I can also do is, let's say, for example, go around onto order and send back one. So what happens is that it only goes one layer back as you were to do that. So if I were to select this, for example, I can also go around over here onto order and then bring it to front of the layer, front of the page, or you can just go around and forward one right here, just like this. And this is how you can simply go ahead and arrange out the objects according to how you want inside of Corel Draw. So if I were to go around onto object right here, you get the same order option right here as well. So you can bring it to the front, send it to the back right here, send it to front off and so forth right here, just like this. And then let's say, for example, select out a particular object right here. So let's say, for example, if I were to go ahead and then select this out, I can go around over here onto object and then go around onto order right here. Then you can go around, send it to front off or behind. So if I were to go to front off and select this shape right here, then it goes all the way to the front, as you can see right here, just like this. And same goes with the back as well. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here onto object, then go around onto order and then choose behind right here, I can click and then it goes behind all of the shapes right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with object arrangement inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.